got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up in 'em. Ready to stay.
Logistics requirements are changing, so we always need new solutions. As e-commerce increases, we are seeing explosive growth in parcel volumes. Currently, we tend to use fixed systems, but often we require more flexibility. We need to be able to adjust to changing demands and requirements.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, have you by chance seen a silver carry-on luggage anywhere? I just had it a few seconds ago. I think someone took it.
Well, that's terrible news. Who would do such a thing?
Who knows?
Oh. Well, can you describe it for me? Maybe I can get security on this.
Sure. It's called a Sky Ballet luggage. You can't miss it. It's got the logo right on top. It's got this wireless charger that pops out on the back. It charges your phone wirelessly. I was just using it.
Wow. Damn, that sounds amazing. I'm definitely making a note of that.
Yeah, it's world's first.
You know, as awesome as that is, I don't think security is going to be able to see that. Do you have a more visual description?
Right, yes. It has these jagged, wavy wheels called shark wheels. It allows the bag to cross over any kind of rough surface you can think of. Tactile pavement, dirt, floor casings, you name it.
That is cool. These are fishy wheels?
Shark
wheels. Got it. That was my bad, sorry.
It also has this magnetic front pocket that pops out at the touch of a button. I use it to put my laptop in there or anything that I need easy access to.
Interesting. Continue. Go on.
It has USB charging ports on the top so that you can charge any other device that you might have.
And what else?
And it has these zippers that interconnect into the bag on the top that you can lock via the Sky Ballet app.
That's great. Keep going.
And it's all powered by this portable battery, which you can then remove if it dies and you need to charge it. And I think that's it.
Wow. I have never heard of a more stealable bag. I mean, I would take this bag if I was into that kind of thing.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you could just take a seat around the corner, I've got everything that I need, and I'll get security tracking this right away.
Oh my God. How could I forget? It has GPS tracking. This thing can be located worldwide.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's this new feature that you can add, and this model has it. Thank God it does.
Reliable, is it?
Oh, yes, very.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. That's strange.
What's that?
It says it's right in front of me.
Oh, that's broken. That's not working.
Is that my bag?
Oh, look at that. It is a luggage, and it is similar to your luggage.
It says Sky Ballet on the top right there.
Okay, well, that's a snazzy logo. I don't know how this got here. It's quite a mystery to me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'm just gonna hand this. There you go.
I'll have your job for this.